Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's cook roasted sweet potatoes. Very simple recipe and delicious, and you can use for vegan, vegetarian. Ingredients for the roasted sweet potatoes. We can use sweet potatoes, we cut in a slice like this, cinnamon powder, and extra virgin olive oil. With the only three ingredients we can cook the really nice roasted sweet potato. It's a very easy recipe and simple and have the delicious flavor. In the oven tray we put olive oil, extra virgin, to avoid that the sweet potato stick in the tray. We spread with the brush. We start to put the sweet potato slice in the tray, like this. We spread for everywhere, like this. We put a little bit more olive oil, extra virgin, on top of the slices, the sweet potato slices. And we use our fingers like this to spread again for all surface of the sweet potatoes, all of them. And finally, we put the cinnamon on top. And this is ready for the oven. We put in the oven 350 20 minutes first. We flip up the tray and we put another 20 minutes because the sweet potato are very hard, you know. Now ready for the oven, and it's a very simple and delicious recipe. After 20 minutes, 350, we need to flip up and put another 20 minutes the same temperature. After 40 minutes in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit, look how beautiful. You can make this sweet potato very easy and the flavor is incredible. This is the final presentation for the client. Look how beautiful and the flavor is incredible. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share, your comments are always very important for us. We made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.